Hey guys, this is Anna with Tales from the Craft Room. Obviously, I'm not in the woods and I'm not in the craft room. I'm actually at work, but I want to kind of multitask and get this out today so that I have a chance to create another video later today, this evening, and get it ready for you guys for tomorrow. Whew, being busy is just a lot of work, I'll tell you. But what I wanted to get on with today is I did get my Mary Maxim Knit Club this morning in the mail. It was a day late because, like a lot of our packages that we've been getting here lately, they're touring the country, going places they shouldn't be going. But anyway, I got my bag this morning. I've already opened it because it feels weird, honestly. There's like a big chunk there that's solid, and then there's another little chunk here that's also solid. Curiosity got me, and I just could not wait. So I have already opened it. Plus, it just makes it easier so that I can show you guys quicker. This one definitely sparks my interest, other than the fact it is going to be another large project. But, as always, they come in these cool zipper bags to keep everything nice and clean and neat while you're in the process of working on all the previous projects in the past that you've gotten. They're getting ahead of me. But this month, the pattern is a shawl. This is a pattern off of Yarnspirations. This is the Knit Airy Shawl. And I don't know if this is a paid for or a free pattern on Yarnspirations. I have not looked, but it claims the skill level is easy. I will determine whether it's easy or not when I get there. And just to let you guys know, I always make sure and mark my projects, or when I get the kits, what month they're from. That way I know when I go back that this was for a select month. Some of the patterns that actually come from Mary Maxim will have like the code on the pattern, but this one did not. It just says February of 2020, but this is 2022. So I went ahead and marked it so I know when I got it. But anyway, this uses a Red Heart croquet yarn, which I have never heard of that yarn. I'm going to guess it's probably a discontinued yarn. A lot of times these kits come with discontinued yarn, or they use their Mary Maxim exclusive brand yarn. But anyway, this is what I got. I have a total of 5 of these. So I'm going to put those 2 back in there so I don't drop them. This is interesting. It's a little cake, I guess. I've never seen these before. I've never heard of them. Anyway, this is, like I said, the Red Heart Croquet. You can see the statistics there. It's a 1.5 ounce. There's 45 grams, 239 yards, or 219 meters. The color on this is... doesn't want to focus. Anyway, it says Berry Bliss is the color. And interesting enough, I'm going to try and make this where it's flatter. This is a size 1 yarn. It says, I can't even read it, but it's a size 1 yarn. The pattern recommends using a size 8 circular needle. So it is definitely going to be very lacy. I don't know, this might have to be put in place above the hat and cowl sets that I've got. Well, one was a hat and cowl, the next one was a cowl and mitts for December and January. This might get bumped up to when I finish that first shawl that I got, which I refer to as the newspaper shawl because mine is black and white. So anyway, I have not gone through and determined whether or not I got my money's worth on this one, but you know what? It's yarn that I probably would never buy. And, well, I would never buy because I just wouldn't buy it. I don't like the smaller gauge yarn, and it's, like I said, quite possibly discontinued anyway. And number 2, it's supposed to be a really easy project. So I'm looking forward to adding this to my stack for a future project. So thank you guys for joining me here at work. Shh, Don't tell Steve I did this. He won't care. And I'm going to get busy on another project that I hope to finish and be able to show you guys in a video that I would like to make tonight and put out for tomorrow.